Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 37. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, servile. Servile means having or showing an excessive willingness to serve or please others. Its Hindi meaning is gulam. Now look at its sentence. He is servile to his boss. Its synonym is slavish. Moving to our next word, palatable. It means pleasant to taste. Its Hindi meaning is swadisht. Now look at its sentence. The meal was palatable. Its synonym is appetizing. Look at our next word, aggravate. Aggravate means make a problem worse or more serious. Its Hindi meaning is bigadna. Now look at its sentence. Stress and lack of sleep can aggravate the situation. Its synonym is depolarize. The next word that I have for you is sanction. Sanction means official permission. Its Hindi meaning is manjuri. Now look at its sentence. We received sanction to proceed with our plans. Its synonym is approval. Moving to our next word, blunder. Blunder means a stupid or careless mistake. Its Hindi meaning is badi bhool. Now look at its sentence. I have made an awful blunder. Its synonym is holler. The next word that I have for you is brittle. Friends, brittle means hard but liable to break easily. Its Hindi meaning is nazuk. Now look at its sentence. Her bones became brittle. Its synonym is fragile. Look at our next word, unsavory. Unsavory means tasteless. Its Hindi meaning is beswad ya fir feeka. Now look at its sentence. The salad was unsavory. Its synonym is unpalatable. The next word that I have for you is spurn. It means to reject someone with contempt. Its Hindi meaning is tiraskar ya fir ghrina. Now look at its sentence. She spurned my offers to help. Its synonym is refuse. The next word that I have for you is exculpate. It means to clear from alleged fault or guilt. Its Hindi meaning is safai dena. Now look at its sentence. I do not exculpate myself. Its synonym is clear. Last but not least is triumphant. It means having won a battle or contest. Its Hindi meaning is vijeta. Now look at its sentence. We cheered the triumphant team. Its synonym is victorious. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of unpalatable? A. Brittle, B. Unsavoury, C. Blunder, D. Servile. Give me answer of this question in comment box.